Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making the best air fryer fudgy brownies ever. For this recipe, we are using 8 ounces of good quality semi-sweet chocolate. Break up one of the chocolate bars and place into a microwave safe container. Then microwave for about 30 to 60 seconds until fully melted. Then break up the second chocolate bar just like so. Now in a large mixing bowl, add 3/4 of a cup of unsalted melted butter, followed by 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar. Go ahead and whisk butter and sugar. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Then add 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Then whisk until combined. Once evenly incorporated, add the melted chocolate and whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. To the mixture, add 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. We are sifting into the mixture as we don't want any lumps. Use a spatula to fold the mixture into the batter and fold just until combined. Do not overmix. To the batter, add the other chocolate bar pieces. Give that a quick mix just until combined. Using an 8x8 baking dish, line it with parchment paper. Then transfer the batter into the prepared baking dish. Using a spatula, spread out the batter evenly. Transfer into your air fryer basket. Then air fry at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 165 degrees Celsius, for about 20 to 25 minutes depending on how fudgy you like your brownies. And after 25 minutes or so, remove the air fryer basket from the air fryer. And since these are fudgy brownies, a toothpick inserted in the center will not come out clean. Then let it rest at room temperature until it cools off completely. And once it has completely cooled off, then you may slice and serve. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the best air fryer fudgy brownies ever. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!